Yes. Good morning. Yes. How are you all of? Yes. Yesterday we had read our chapter number 4 in English grammar. What was the name of the chapter? Pronouns. Okay. Pronouns. Then after number. Then what happened? It gender and case. Okay. What is the definition of pronoun? Yes, pronouns are words that is used in place of noun. जो noun की जगह पर यूज किए जाते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? Pronouns. And what is noun? All the naming words are called nouns. Okay. I explained everything here. What is noun? And I explained its kinds also. One kind we will see. There were 10 kinds of pronouns. So we had read personal pronoun. We see, okay, personal pronoun I taught. Personal pronouns are those pronouns which replace names of person and things. What they replace? Persons and things. ये केवल persons और things को replace करते हैं. There are three types of person. First person, second person, third person. Who will tell me about first person? Only raise your hand. Pratik, first person. IV. Very good, Pratik. Now tell me second person. Yes, Kunal. You. Very good. Now third person, Pari. He, she, it, they. These are your third person. Okay? Sit down. Very good. Uh, and as we know, the first person is your speaker. What is first person? Speaker. Second person? Listener. Okay? And third person? Talking about, जिसके बारे में बात की जाती है. Yesterday I taught this everything. Then I taught you the about persons. It can be subjective or objective. Subjective person, I, we. Okay? You. He, she, it, they. And objective, I, the, me, we, us. Tell me now. She, hers, he, him, they, them, we हो गया, you, it. So they were singular or plural. That also I taught yesterday that I is singular and subjective person and we is plural. This is also subjective person. Objective is I of me and we us. You is also subjective person and this is both can be singular or plural. Now third person is singular, he, she, it. Okay? And their objective, him, her, it. Plural, they, and their objective, them. Like that, reflexive pronoun में क्या करते हैं? I का क्या होता है? My, mine, and that we, ours. You, yours. He, his. She, hers. They, theirs. Reflexive or emphatic. I, myself. We, ourselves. This is plural. You, yourself, and yourselves. Both can be because it can use for singular and plural both. Now he himself, he, she herself, it itself, they themselves. Okay? Understood? I taught yesterday this also. And this exercise we done. Okay. Today now we will study about possessive pronouns. What we will learn? Yes, possessive pronoun. जैसे नाम से ही हम पता लगा सकते हैं that is possession, ownership. ओके किसी चीज पर आपका राइट होना, ऑनर होना. जैसे अभी इन एट ए टाइम you are owner of your bag, you are owner of your books. Okay, ऑनर मीन्स स्वामी होना, मतलब किसी चीज की कोई चीज सिर्फ आप ही की है, इट बिलोंग्स टू यू. So now possessive pronouns are those which show possession or ownership. I told you that it shows possession or ownership. For example, the book lying there is mine and those on the table are hers. Now what is the meaning of this example? It is saying the book lying there, मतलब जो book वहां पर रखी हुई है वो किसकी है? मेरी है. तो मेरी है, this I am the owner of these books. Okay, but on the tables are hers. लेकिन जो टेबल पर रखी हैं these are not mine, वो उसकी हैं. तो उसका ऑनर कौन है? वो. Okay, like this. Now mine and hers both are indicates possession. They indicate possessions. Now the possessive pronouns are, which are these? Mine, are, yours, his, her, theirs. Mine is used for I. Mine is used for R. R is used for we. And this is plural. And yours? You. And his? For he. Her, yeah, sorry. His, he, her, she. And theirs? They. You are in this also. First is mine. Second is yours. Third is his and hers. His for male, hers for female. And in plural, ours, yours, theirs. These are plural and these are singular. Now we do the exercise. Okay. Do you know with whom we use am? I. Very good. So what will be here? First person, I. I'm worried about his, her. Now here you can use any pronoun, any person, first person, second person, third person. So I you can write, he you can write, she you can write, he you can write. That will be not wrong. He wanted to talk to her about him. You can write. Otherwise you can write anything else. Now that book of. Very good. You can write here his also, mine also, yours also. Okay? If you write yours, that will be not wrong. His also, mine also. I bought my dress from the nearby store. And she. Now what will come here? Because she is here, so hers. She bought hers from elsewhere. The house is not. Me not. Mine. Mine you can say yours, hers, anything else you can say. You can say hers. But mine. आप replace कर सकते हो, यहाँ mine और यहाँ hers भी कर सकते हो. That will be not wrong. Now more. My pet dog is very active. There is, you can see this is the talking about the dog. And what we use for dog? Very good. Now there is full stop, so we will make the capital I. It. Now got our prizes for winning the competition from the chairman of the organization. Why did you write here we? Why we will write here we? Tell me this reason. I know here we will write we. But why we will write? Because here is written our prices. And this is our plural. That's why we will write here we. Okay. Now her music performance made. Yes, us. हम सबको. Forget everything else. Now your possessive completed. Now demonstrative pronouns. Okay. And now you will be know about the difference between demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative pronouns are words that indicate specific nouns in a sentence. Okay? ये यूज किए जाते हैं किसी भी स्पेसिफिक प्रोनाउंस को बताने के लिए, इंडिकेट करने के लिए. तो नाउ this is the pen I was looking for. Now can you tell me this is used for? In this sentence, can you tell me this is used for? Pen. Very good. अभी आपने देखा that is telling कि it is used for specific nouns. ये किसी specific nouns के लिए यूज होता है. तो pen is your noun. Pen is your noun. So it is using for pen. So this is the pen I was looking for. Now that is the watch I bought yesterday. Watch. That is using for watch. Okay. So watch. What is watch here? Noun. Specific noun. Now completed. Now you will see singular and plural. Demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjective both are same. This, that, these, those. This and that singular and these and those plural. That you know very well. ये आप सभी को अच्छे से आता है. You know ना very well. Now this, that, those and these are also used as a demonstrative adjective when they are qualify the nouns in the sentences. What did you understand by this line? This is saying that this, that, those, these are also used as a demonstrative adjective. As I taught you in the previous chapter. I taught you now. Yeah, what is demonstrative adjective? Okay. So, for example, one example is this example of demonstrative adjective. याद रखना कि ये example आपका demonstrative adjective का है. How? This pen, this book, this pen, those apples, that basket. What happens here? कि यहाँ this, that, these, those जो होता है, that noun come with them. Noun इनके साथ ही लिखी जाती है. We cannot separate them. हम इनको अलग नहीं कर सकते. ओके. दिस के साथ कोई ना कोई नाउन आपको लिखना होगा. फिर हम आगे का सेंटेंस कंप्लीट करते हैं. दिस बुक, यू कैन से लाइक दिस बुक इज देयर. ओके. दिस पेन वाज ऑन द टेबल. तो आप इस तरह से ये सेंटेंस लिखते हो. But in that demonstrative pronoun, we will not write like this. After this, we use here helping verb. Then after we use noun. कि इस noun के लिए यहाँ पर ये demonstrative pronoun use हो रहा है. Understood? One more example here. Now these are use of demonstrative pronouns to point out to people or things they stand for. यहाँ पर people और things की बात की जाती है जो जिसके लिए यूज होता है. To separate a category. ये कैटेगरी को सेपरेट करते हैं. When a statement or solution is referred to. For example, this is my watch. ये इंडिकेट कर रहा है किसी स्पेसिफिक वॉच को कि ये जो वॉच है वो मेरी है. Those are not mine. वो मेरी नहीं है. This is what I said, ये वही है जो मैंने कहा. तो इस तरह से ये हो जाता है आपका demonstrative pronoun. Understood? Now this is your interrogative. Interrogative pronouns, as we know, when we interrogate something that are interrogative, जिसमें question पूछे जाएंगे, these are your interrogative, and in the end of the sentences question mark will be there. Last में आपके question mark जरूर होगा. How? Who is at the door? Okay, there is question mark and it is asking about a question कि door पर कौन है. Question ही पूछ रहा है ना. ध्यान से देखिए, look it carefully. Who is at door? Door पर कौन है? Here is question mark. Here is written WHO word. Or when we start any sentences by WHO word, so these are the interrogative. But there should be a question mark. Question mark होना बहुत जरूरी है. Then it is interrogative. अगर यहाँ क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं है तो इसका मतलब वो इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन नहीं है. ओके. सेकंड है whom are you writing to? whom means किसको. what is the meaning of whom? किसको. आप किसको लिख रहे हैं. और दिस इज क्वेश्चन मार्क. the interrogative pronouns are who, whom, those, whose, what, which. These are your interrogative pronouns. Okay, you should know about it. Uses of interrogative pronouns. Who is used as a subject and the object of a verb or a preposition. Who का use subject और object दोनों के लिए किया जाता है. या तो वो उसकी verb हो सकती है या preposition. Like this. Who are you talking to? मतलब लास्ट में आपका यहाँ पर टू है. दिस इज योर प्रेपोजिशन. तो आप किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हो. टू whom did you give the packet? अभी आपका ऑब्जेक्ट हो गया कि तुमने किसको ऑब्जेक्ट दिया, किसको ये पैकेट दिया. whose is used to indicate possession and used to person or things. whose आपका पर्सन और थिंग्स के लिए यूज किया जाता है और ये भी आपका पोजीशन को शो करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर इज वन वैन मिसिंग कि वहां whose hasn't arrived. वहां पर एक इस तरह से कि एक वैन मिसिंग है जो अभी तक नहीं आई. which is used both persons or things when the person who will answer has to make a choice among different possibility. which जो है वो आपके persons और things, ज्यादातर ये things के लिए यूज किया जाता है. which is used for things or animals. WHICH which is used especially with animals or things. when the person, जब person who will answer, जो आंसर करता है has to make a choice among different possibility, कोई choice show करता है. इस तरह से हम which का यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल which of these is the road of your house. मतलब आपका रोड, आपका जो घर है कौन सी रोड के साइड है. इस तरह से. Now what is used for a thing. what हमेशा thing के लिए यूज होता है. what is that you have in your hand. आप किसी से क्वेश्चन करते हैं आप क्या कहना चाहते हो, आपके हाथ में क्या है, आप क्या लेकर आए हो. what is in your hand. what do you want to say. like this ना, इस तरह से. whose or which are used as interrogative adjective when they qualify nouns. whose और which आपका interrogative adjective के लिए भी यूज किया जाता है. बट यहाँ भी one condition is there. whose के साथ हमेशा noun आएगी, which के साथ भी noun होगी. whose book and whose pen. we can use as an adjective also, but in adjective what will be happen here कि यहाँ पर आपके whose के साथ आपका noun होगा और which के साथ भी आपका noun होगा. now It's time to do exercise. Now you will tell me the answer. Is that in your hand? Purvi. What? Why will write here what? हम यहाँ पर what क्यों लिखेंगे? Why is what here? Yeah, yes. Interrogative, that is I know very well because it is talking about a thing कि आपके हाथ में क्या है. Okay, sit down. One question of your interrogative and one question of demonstrative. Now what will come here? This. This is my new watch. This is indicating a specific noun. Watch is noun. This is indicating a specific noun. Now, won that match between India and Sri Lanka. Who? कौन जीता? Now tell me, was born by India. That. Are those books lying there? Whose? किसकी बुक वहां पर रखी हुई है? वहां पर कोई बुक्स रखी हुई है. Then we are asking, whose are those books lying there? Now this is plural. Then what will come here? These, those, and you can write. These are, because this is plural now, time is these. Is a better book for children among these two? Which I told you that which is used especially non-living things or animals. So which answer? And is a good book for children? Now, is the new bicycle? Yes, किसकी है ये bicycle? Who? Now, this you can write, that you can write. Now, reflexive. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are those which reflect upon or go back to the subject. क्या होता है रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन में? जिसमें हम जो आपका वापस से बात किस पर आकर ठहर जाती है? सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट पर ज्यादा सब्जेक्ट पर वापस से हम सब्जेक्ट पर आ जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही हर्ट हिमसेल्फ एक्सीडेंटली. उसने किसको हर्ट किया? खुद को. ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट हिमसेल्फ, तो उसने खुद को हिमसेल्फ किया. तो यहाँ पर ये सब्जेक्ट पर आ रहा है ना वापस से कि किसने किसको हर्ट किया? उसने अपने आप को किया. ही हर्ट हिमसेल्फ एक्सीडेंटली. लाइक दिस दे विल इन्फॉर्म यू देमसेल्फ. तो वो आपको इन्फॉर्म करेंगे खुद. तो यहाँ पर भी हमें वापस से सब्जेक्ट पर आना पड़ता है इसके लिए, आंसर के लिए. तो फर्स्ट पर्सन आई, वी, मेक, माई सेल्फ, आर सेल्फ. सिंगुलर माई सेल्फ, प्लूरल आर सेल्फ. फर्स्ट पर्सन. सेकेंड पर्सन यू. इन सिंगुलर योर सेल्फ, प्लूरल योर सेल्फ. थर्ड पर्सन ही, शी, इट, दे. दे इज प्लूरल. He, she, it, he make himself, she make herself, it make itself, or they make themselves, because this is plural. Uses of reflexive pronoun. अब इसका किस तरह से यूज करेंगे? Uses of pronouns. When the subject or object of the verb is the same person or thing. जब आपके सेंटेंस के अंदर सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब, वर्ब का सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट दोनों सेम हो तो पर्सन और थिंग हो तो हम यूज करते हैं, जैसे लुक एट हियर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई हर्ट माई सेल्फ, मैंने अपने आप को हर्ट किया। फॉर एम्फेसाइजिंग, एम्फेसाइजिंग के लिए करते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई मेड द पाई माई सेल्फ। लिसन, ज्यादा जोर देने के लिए, ज्यादा दबाव देने के लिए हम एम्फेसाइजिंग, एम्फेथेटिक का यूज करते हैं। एम्फेथेटिक एंड रिफ्लेक्सिव, देयर इज नो मोर डिफरेंस। व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस कि यहाँ पर मोर एम्फेसाइजेस के लिए हम एम्फेथिक का यूज करते हैं। Used after verb with preposition to clarify which person or things we are talking about. She is very happy with herself. Now not used where people normally perform actions on themselves like washing, combing, dressing, which is a part of their normal routine. Reflexive pronouns are used when someone does something he or she is not expected to do. Yes, look at here. कहाँ पर यूज किया जाता है रिफ्लेक्सिव? नॉट यूज्ड वेयर पीपल नॉर्मली परफॉर्म एक्शन ऑन देमसेल्फ, लाइक वहां पर रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन नहीं होगा जो आपके डेली रूटीन के काम है। अंडरस्टूड? दोज आर योर डेली रूटीन वर्क लाइक वॉशिंग, कटिंग और वॉशिंग, कटिंग, कॉम्बिंग, ड्रेसिंग, ओके, कुकिंग, इनके लिए क्या यूज नहीं होगा? रिफ्लेक्सिव। और जो जिसका आपने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया है उसके लिए हम रिफ्लेक्सिव यूज करते हैं, जैसे दो शी इज ब्लाइंड शी कुक्स फूड हरसेल्फ। अब अपन ने ये एक्सपेक्ट किया है कि वो ब्लाइंड है और वो खाना बना सकती है अपने आप। कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट दिस? कैन अ ब्लाइंड पर्सन कुक हिमसेल्फ? बना सकता है क्या खाना? वो नहीं बना सकता। तो इसी तरह से जिस पर आपको उम्मीद नहीं है, यू डोंट एक्सपेक्ट इट, वहां आप रिफ्लेक्सिव यूज करेंगे। This is emphatic pronouns. Both are the same, no more difference between them. These are reflexive pronouns which are used for emphasizing. यहाँ पर ज्यादा जोर देने के लिए, जैसे I myself, okay, like this if we say कि भाई ज्यादा दबाव देके कह रहे हैं, emphasizes कर रहे हैं किसी वर्ड को, then for example I myself cooked the meal. अब ये डेली रूटीन है आपका, खाना आप खुद से बनाते हो, ओके। The forms of emphatic pronouns are the same as that reflexive pronouns. दोनों same है, there is no more difference. Uses of emphatic pronouns, they are used for emphasizing the nouns. This means that even if they are left out, the sentence would still make sense. Okay, for example, now this is your exercise. Circle the reflexive or emphatic pronouns and identify them. The first example is father cut himself while shaving. आपको देखो यहाँ पर समझिए, because this can be difficult for you if you will not understand. By sentences, by examples, we will understand. Okay, father, okay, cut himself, उन्होंने अपने आप को कट किया। While shaving, क्या कर रहे थे वो? तो इट नेसेसरी व्हेन बी शेविंग कि इट विल बी कट आवरसेल्फ। अगर हम शेविंग कर रहे तो हमें कट होगा, ये जरूरी है? जरूरी है? वह ऐसा एक्सपेक्ट करते हो आप? नहीं करते हो ना, तो कौन सा हो जाएगा फिर ये? रिफ्लेक्सिव। सेकंड है आई वेंट देयर माई सेल्फ, मैं वहां पर अपने आप गया, विच कैन बी एम्फेटिक। क्यों? खुद से जा सकता है, यस, इट कैन डू, he can do, sorry. So here what will be the answer? Emphatic. You yourself said that we should reach on time. तुमने खुद से कहा था तुम टाइम से पहुंच जाओगे, बताओ। एम्फेटिक, एम्फेटिक बिकॉज यहाँ पर भी कोई ऐसी चीज तो है नहीं कि यू कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट इट, तो यहाँ क्या आ जाएगा आपका? एम्फेटिक। Now next question. Mary saw herself in the mirror. Reflexive. क्योंकि उसे पता नहीं था कि वो अपने आप को मिरर में देखेगी. I made the project myself. Emphatic. Yes. Project खुद से ही बनाएंगे. Please help yourself with the food. Reflexive. Next, the children are grown ups and now and can look after themselves. ये जरूरी तो नहीं है बच्चे बड़े हो गए तो क्या अपनी देखभाल कर सकते हैं. By this line, the meaning the children are grown ups. अब बड़े हो गए हैं now and can look after themselves. Look after होता है care करना. तो ऐसा जरूरी है क्या? This is not your daily routine work. So what will be the answer? Reflexive. Now last, the cat. You will not tell the answer. You will write yourself in your comment box. Today we will read only this much, and remaining chapter we will do in our next class. Okay, I hope those I taught you understand, and you have to comment of this question. And yesterday also I just asked one question, and you have to comment all of it. Okay, thank you.